We all understand that having a good set of tyres on our vehicle is imperative to our safety and that of our family. But not many of us give enough consideration to how a braking system works and why having a quality braking system is imperative to our safety and that of our family as well. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about brake rotors and why having a good quality Terrain Tamer brake rotor is going to give you the safety that you really do need in your vehicle. So let's go back to some of the basics of what a brake system is going to do. It's all about converting energy into heat. And there are three types of heat that are created when we apply our brakes. First is conduction heat. That's where the heat that's created at the surface of the brake pad is transferred into the brake pad body and into the brake caliper and all of those associated components. And the heat that's created at that surface area is also transferred into the main metal of the brake rotors themselves, and that's the conduction heat. Now, the second form is one that we're probably more familiar with, and that's convection heat. That's where the heat that's created when we apply the brake pedal is transferred into the brake rotors and then into the airflow that's traveling past the brake rotors. Now, brake rotors have vanes within them to be like a fan and transfer heat from the metal into the airflow and all of that. So there's a bit of technology, and we'll go into that deeper in a moment. And the third type of heat is infrared heat. Now imagine you've just come down a massive, big, long hill and you've been working the brakes reasonably hard, and you jump out of the vehicle and you walk past the wheels and you can feel the heat coming off the wheels. Well, that's coming from the braking system, and that's the infrared heat. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts.